Imagine entering these mountains. What could possibly have carved them? Look upward, and thousands of stone pillars disappear into mist. Here, nature seems impossible, yet every shape has geological evidence. Zhangjiajie lies within Wulingyuan, in Hunan Province, central China. The protected landscape covers roughly 26,400 hectares. More than 3,000 quartz sandstone pillars dominate this landscape. Many rise above 200 meters, towering over deep valleys. But how did ordinary rock become such extraordinary vertical forms? The answer begins long before humans ever reached these mountains. Ancient sediments accumulated, eventually forming thick sandstone rock layers here. Over immense time, geological forces slowly shaped this elevated landscape. Then, erosion began slowly separating resistant rock from surrounding material. Rainwater entered fractures, while streams gradually deepened the surrounding valleys. Weathering widened cracks, leaving stronger sandstone blocks standing safely behind. Can you imagine millions of years passing through one landscape? Slowly, ridges became isolated and pillars emerged above the forests. The process was gradual, but its final appearance became dramatic. Today, mist often moves between pillars, constantly changing their appearance. From one viewpoint, mountains seem close, from another, impossibly distant. But the landscape here is far more than spectacular scenery. Deep ravines carry streams, while waterfalls descend through forested valleys. Every feature here adds another chapter to this geological story. And the rocks are only part of what makes this place remarkable. Dense broadleaf forests cover much of the landscape between pillars. These forests create vital habitats for numerous plants and animals. Some species living here are endangered, making protection especially important. Now consider what happens when millions of visitors arrive. Beauty attracts people, but tourism can also pressure fragile environments. That is why Wulingyuan has long-term protection and monitoring systems. Visitor numbers and activities are scientifically controlled in sensitive areas. Air, water, environmental quality, and noise are also carefully monitored. But another question remains. Why does this landscape feel unreal? Part of the answer comes from scale, distance, and mist. Clouds can hide pillar bases, creating extraordinary visual depth here. Forests then seem to float beneath exposed sandstone walls below. Yet nothing supernatural is required to explain this extraordinary illusion. The landscape simply combines geology, vegetation, atmosphere, and perspective. And perhaps that makes the real story even more remarkable. In 1992, UNESCO recognized Wulingyuan for its exceptional natural beauty. The designation protects this remarkable landscape spanning thousands of hectares. UNESCO records more than 3,000 narrow sandstone peaks here. Many exceed 200 meters, rising above ravines and forests. Stand here virtually and ask yourself what time really means. A single human lifetime becomes almost invisible against geological time. The pillars are monuments not to civilization, but to erosion. Water did not sculpt them quickly. It worked unimaginably slowly. So, when you see these pillars, look beyond their beauty. Look for fractures, valleys, forests, streams, and passage of time. Because the mystery was never really how mountains became magical. The real wonder is how ordinary geological processes created this. And now you know what makes Zhangjiajie truly extraordinary today. Subscribe to GeoDiscovery and discover the world's hidden wonders with us.